Very good shot by DMC's player. This point goes to RMC because DMC's player tackled back. RMC opened their khata with 1 point and DMC nil. This point goes to RMC. With this point, RMC's point is 2 and DMC nil. Definitive opener. Jihokol Hodahoy Rice. Puruk Rice. Barandal আছে প্লিজ আপোনালোকে বাৰান্দাখন খালি কৰি দিয়ক কাৰণ এখানে সংৰক্ষণ কৰি ৰাখিছে বাৰান্দাত থকা পুৰুষ বাৰান্দাৰ পৰা আঁতৰি আহিবলৈ কোৱা হ'ল This point goes to DMC. With this point DMC open their khata. DMC in 1 and RMC in 2. With the short DMC point is 2. Baranda thoka jihokol hodahoy puruk dorshok ase apnaloke please অনুগ্রহ করে বারান্দার পৰা আঁতৰি আহক এৰো এখিনি আমি মহিলাসকলৰ বাবে সংৰক্ষণ কৰি ৰাখিছো আপোনালোকে যদি বেয়া নাপায় বাৰান্দাৰ পৰা প্লিজ আঁতৰি আহক This point goes to Rangashiri Bogota Club. With this point, Rangashiri Bogota Club point is 3. DMC also 3. Very good shot by RMC's player. DMC's player tried to shot but they were not success. So this point goes to RMC. RMC with this point is 4. DMC's point 3. Very good attack by RMC, but attack going to unsuccess. So this point goes to DMC. This point goes to DMC. With this point, DMC 4, RMC also with 4. Very good shot, but ball going to out of line. So this point goes to DMC. DMC's point is 5, RMC's point is 4. Very good fielding. Double toss with DMC's player, so this point goes to RMC. With this point, RMC's point is 5, DMC also with 5. Okay, no problem. Very good shot by RMC's player. So this point goes to RMC. RMC with this point is 6 and DMC with wow. DMC also sitting with RMC's player. So this point goes to DMC. with this point, DMC with 6, RMC also 6. Very good shot by Zakaria. Very good shot. So this point goes to RMC. RMC's point with 7, DMC with 6. Total by DMC's player. So this point goes to RMC. RMC with this point is 8 and DMC with 6. Very good cheating with DMC's player. So this point goes to RMC. After this point, it passes for the team because this game finish with 50 points. Sub from RMC's player. Very good team with RMC's player. So this point goes to DMC. With this point, DMC with 7, RMC with 9. This point goes to DMC. DMC. Yes, DMC. With this point, DMC with 8, RMC with 9. This one goes to RMC. DMC tried to attack, but they are unsuccessful. So this one goes to RMC. RMC is with 10, DMC with 8. Very good shot by DMC. This one goes to DMC because RMC's player touched with ball. Very good cheating. But DMC's player this one goes to DMC with this point. DMC and RMC with 10. This one also goes to DMC. Now DMC with 11, RMC with 10. We have very short time. DMC. This one goes to DMC. Sorry, this one goes to RMC. With this point, RMC 11, DMC also 11. So this point goes to RMC. RMC with 12, DMC with 11. This point goes to TMC because ball line cross. This one goes to RMC. RMC with 13, TMC with 12. This one goes to RMC. RMC with 14. Weapon is going out. TMC with 12. We have very short time. Fine. Please put in this statement.
ইকুয়াল নাকি না গেম বলে কত বললে গে
ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি গৌপদিয়া versus কাছমাৰৰ মাজত খেলখন অনুষ্ঠিত হ'ব। Point goes to RMC with this point. RMC win by 2 points and TMC win with 1 point. Finally, RMC win this.
এখন না কোনো কন্ট্রাক্ট